Facing the future, mitigating and adapting to climate change. Earth's climate is changing faster than ever before, with temperatures rising and weather becoming more unpredictable. But what can we do to slow this down? That's where climate change mitigation comes in. Climate change mitigation refers to efforts made to reduce or prevent the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. It's all about slowing down climate change by reducing how much harmful gas we put into the air. One of the most powerful tools we have for climate change mitigation is renewable energy. Solar power, wind power, hydropower, and geothermal energy are all clean sources that don't release harmful greenhouse gases like fossil fuels do. By switching to these renewable sources, we can drastically cut emissions. But what about the greenhouse gases already in the atmosphere? Carbon sequestration is another important strategy. This involves capturing carbon dioxide and storing it safely, whether through natural processes like planting more trees or advanced technologies that capture carbon directly from factories. Sustainable agriculture is also key. By reducing the use of chemical fertilizers and shifting to eco-friendly farming techniques, we can lower the carbon footprint of food production and even help the land absorb more carbon. Energy efficiency is another powerful tool in the fight against climate change. Whether it's upgrading buildings to use less energy or driving electric cars instead of gas-powered ones, we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Trees are nature's carbon absorbers. Reforestation and afforestation, planting new trees in deforested or barren areas, are critical for removing carbon from the air. And in doing so, we not only fight climate change but also protect biodiversity and improve water systems. Mitigation isn't the only solution. We also need to adapt to the changes that are already here. This is where climate change adaptation comes in. It's about finding ways to cope with the effects of climate change, whether by planting drought-resistant crops, conserving water, or strengthening healthcare systems for heat waves and extreme weather. Some regions are turning to climate-resilient infrastructure to protect against rising sea levels and floods. Green infrastructure, like parks and rain gardens, along with traditional solutions like seawalls, are helping cities adapt to a changing world. Implementing these strategies takes cooperation, funding, and commitment. While challenges exist, they also open doors for innovation and collaboration. Governments, industries, and even individuals like you can make a difference. By taking action now, switching to clean energy, protecting our forests, and building more sustainable communities, we can slow down climate change and create a brighter future for all. Together, we can mitigate climate change. Start today by making small changes in your life that have big impacts on our planet.